Shinuri's latest news and developments. Today we'll talk about website update, also exchange listings and price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get to these updates that Shinuri has for us. We got some epic updates. We got Shinuri launched 7 days ago, current 3 times X from all-time high. Okay, so we still got some ways to go. We're gonna go back to those all-time highs. I know that for a fact. What we have accomplished in the past 7 days, locked for 1 year, just renounced. That was yesterday. Video docs, audit, CoinGecko listing, Everrise partnership, CMC listing, KYC, staking, and NFT starts development. Okay, so next we have these are some important updates, and I'm very excited for the team and for the community. This is epic because it shows nonstop progress, and we're going to see that in the chart too at the end of the video. We have 3 team members doing KYC today. Info and a couple pictures will be on the website. We're going to take a look at the website as well. It's pretty epic, updated website. We have two exchanges maybe, but going forward we can see that we're on Coinstore list, Shinuri. So that's pretty epic right there. But let's just go through the rest of this before we get to those prices. We have paid for one lower exchange, but nonetheless, it's an exchange and a start of our future. So big shout out to the team getting this one done. We have this one, of course, we're still waiting on CoinMarketCap. You guys can see the request number right here, but this is huge right here. Being listed on an exchange for a token at this size right now, and the team pushing forward, and this community really shows a lot of strength. So going over to the website really quick and just checking it out. I mean, it looks epic. Shout out to whoever did the website. Shout out to the team. Congratulations. The website looks amazing. The taxes have been switched and permanently put to 10% tax. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind, that the tax is set to 10% now for good because the contract has been renounced. Okay, also scrolling down, we can see that we have some of the guys right here. Shout out to Shintoshi, Cowboy, and Charlie. Okay, so the website's updated, looks great. We got some exchange listings. So the main part about those things and exchange listings and websites being updated, those are things that are part of the roadmap. And the roadmap is one of those areas that you should pay attention to. Of course, not financial advice, but where I like to know where if they say what they mean and mean what they say, that if they say they're going to do these things, they continuously continue to complete them, right? And keep their word. So looking at that, we can see that we're having some consolidation, which a lot of new investors don't realize that this is actually good. This is a good sign. This is where, if you got a bag and you're getting reflections, and I know that we are because I got a nice size bag. The USDC is looking great. I'm not going to claim mine to the end of the month, but I already know the way that things are moving, this is going to be pretty epic for us. All right, what we have right now, why consolidation is something to look at maybe with a different point of view, because if we had peeled back just nonstop and never consolidated, that would have been trouble. Right now, we're seeing this healthy consolidation, a slightly higher low than before where we wicked down to, but now we're in this channel. This last arrow was from the last video, from when we went to all-time highs, which I believe the market cap was 667,000, somewhere around there, which I do believe we're going to go right back up there. This is a great opportunity. This is a discount right now. We're down 18% and only down 18% on the week. That's not that much. And 24%, disregard that, 13.7% on the 24 hours. So that's, not bad for a small project, and having these opportunities to march back towards these all-time highs, letting people see some gains, and also far beyond that. But what I like to see is that we're having consolidation. We also can see that the MACD is ready to peel back on the upward side in our favor, right? We're already on the oversold mark. Now we can see the MACD starting to peel back to the top side. We got the MACD candles slightly on the top. We're going to have to see a lot more volume, of course, but if we can hold this line right here, this level of support, this 2626, that is a healthy chart. We don't want to see a breakdown underneath there. So we want to make sure that we continue to consolidate right here, because that is a healthy chart. That's what it's supposed to do. Once we have new holders and people are holding and believing in the project, that's what the consolidation lets you basically tells you. Now, our setup zone and people wanting to see that breakout, the minute we break out to that 3641, that little bit of FOMO is going to kick in, because if you notice right here, this was a resistance. Basically, we broke out. We hit this. We hit it right here. These are resistance, and eventually we broke out. It was supposed to be a support. It didn't happen. So we have that becoming a resistance, and we'll see that tapping again. The minute we break out of that resistance, that's where that momentum picks up, because people are like, whoa, wait a minute. We just broke out of this main resistance, which is going to be at 3641. So if we see a motion like this on top of this 36.41, making a higher low. Do not panic. This might be our next range and our new zero threshold where we're starting to hold above 36. These support levels will keep climbing. So if this is a project that you like, something that you want to be looking forward to and want to accumulate your bag, this is something to pay attention to when you see consolidation and people adding to the bag, and now we're not going lower than before, because that means that it's not going to break down to those prices. And it's something to keep in mind when we got the, contract renounced. We have the taxes set up. We got a brand new website, and now we're starting to be listed on exchanges. We still got CoinMarketCap coming up. I know that's going to create some volume. Let the community engage with comments and whatnot like that on CoinMarketCap. But let's continue to keep our foot on the gas. Let's share this video, retweet this, snip it, do whatever you like. Put it on all social media platforms, not just Twitter and Telegram, on all social media platforms. Let's keep our foot on the gas, and let's continue to get you guys to continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.